Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA Ignition AC heater blower motor with cage that fits the Volkswagen Touareg as well as the Audi Q7 from 2004 to 2010. Let's take a look at this part here. So this actually includes the blower motor itself, which you see in here, as well as the fan cage here, which actually moves the air. So if we take a look at this part, you'll notice there's a number of mounting holes on it. And then you'll see down here, there's an electrical connection here. So the installation is actually really straightforward on this. You're gonna remove the bolts that are fastening the factory blower motor to the evaporator. You're gonna unplug the factory electrical connector, and you're gonna install this blower motor in place using the existing screws, and then plug the electrical connector in, and you're all set. Now, like any of our products that we sell, if you have any questions about the installation or if this is the right part for your vehicle or anything else, please feel free to reach out to us directly and we'll be glad to help.